Hey guys, it's Alejandro. I am back. Sorry, I'm using my MacBook Air right now, so video quality is not going to be that great. I just ordered a new tripod for my phone, and I'm going to be doing a lot more selfies and a lot more vlogging with my phone, since the GoPro is more kind of a wide view. Anyway, let's get to the point. I just bought a lot of new accessories for my GoPro, a tray, a strobe, and it comes with filters as well. And I'm soon going to buy the Switchblade 7 Polar Pro. It has a macro lens, it has magenta filter, and it has a red filter. I'm mainly going to use the red filter unless I'm going to be going into lakes or rivers. To get to the point, let's get there. Alright, so here it is. I'm using the Super Suit, and I usually use the Super Suit and the handler. That was my accessories prior to getting this. I personally love this. I've been using it all day today, and just how easy it is. Yes, it may be a little like compressed here, but other than that, it feels amazing. It feels like I have control of everything. To go over the parts though, this is the SL-100 strobe light. I really like it. It has 3 different settings. It has bright, semi-bright, and then flashing. So great. Bigger than my GoPro, funny enough. Then here's the Movo aluminum tray. A little tiny, but it does everything I need to do. It has screws everywhere, and it has the cold shoe holders here, so obviously I can be able to attach more things on here. Next, yeah, it comes with a couple of filters. I really enjoy that feature too, so I can easily put in a filter. So if I want to use a red filter, just slide it in here casually, as such, and then the flight will be red. And I heard it's better for videography. I guess I'm just gonna let that in there. But yeah, this is honestly, I know it's amateur, but it's honestly the best for my buck at the moment. I'm working to spend more money on a really good dive camera, the TG6 to be specific, along with its housing. That's gonna be about $3,000 though. But yeah, I'm gonna be doing a lot more videos now with this stuff. Everything's gonna be better. I'm gonna be working on my color grading. I'm going to be downloading Adobe Premiere and start buying it and using it, learning how to use it, so I can make sure the color effect is great on my videos. So no longer it's just blue underwater. It's going to be everything's going to be the exact color it needs to be, and I'll make sure it is, so you guys get the best bang for your buck. So I'm going to start selling a lot more videos. I'll be selling more pictures, get some scenery, take some really great stills. I'm also going to be doing a lot more retail things. I'm gonna start opening a store, making a logo for my shirts and everything. Probably gonna be the same logo I use now. I just put them in the corner, put some fancy saying in the background, but honestly, I'm just trying to get my name out there. Honestly, I keep saying that honestly, but I really need a lot of y'all's support. I am grateful for my supporter up in Sarasota and Saltwater Born. They have the best apparel, best customer service. I talk to them a lot, and we have a lot of things in common. They're going to come visit me during the summertime, possibly. We're going to do a lot of diving and lobstering, so we do some collaboration there. You should really check out the website. It looks pretty sleek. Hit the follow button on Instagram, on their Instagram page. Hit them up on Facebook and Twitter. Try to get them on YouTube, and you will be happy. Definitely go check out their apparel and purchase yourself one, because honestly, they have pretty much the best gear we got in Florida, and in fact the United States. But yeah, y'all be extremely happy. I'm going to be getting back into the business. It's winter break, so I'm going to be hauling. So I hope y'all will enjoy all my content coming up soon, and I'm going to be starting doing a lot more flipping on scuba gear. So yeah, check out later.